Category, like the name suggests, we are going to see some of the interesting Python facts. And for that reason, let us quickly move to our Python window. So, yes. So as you can see, I have written some of the codes which are already pre-written in front of you. And I'm going to demonstrate all these codes to you. So the first library that I'm using for the today's demonstration is PyTTSX3, which stands for Python Text to Speech. And this is the third version. That's why it is X3. So basically, what's the use of this library? So this particular library will help you to convert whatever text that you are writing into its speech format. So that's basically what text to speech indicates. So first you have to import this library. If this library is not present in your machine already, then you first have to download it using pip install pyt2x-ttxsx3, and then you may use this using the import command. Once you have imported this library, then you have to use init function. So init function will instantiate that library, will instantiate your text-to-speech mechanism. And then you simply have to use this method called as say. Whatever message that you want your machine to read out loudly, you can pass that message over here. So for example, in this case, I am giving the message as welcome to the course. And then at the end, I am running engine, that is nothing but an object that I have created in order to instantiate the text to speech, as well as in order to pass the statement that I want my machine to convert into the speech. And then finally, I'm saying that run and wait, that means run the statement and wait for some time. So if I just execute this, I'm not sure whether you'll be able to hear the voice or not, but let me just try. Okay, so I just request you all to execute this at your own machines and make sure that your speaker is not off, so that you will also get the output, that is nothing but text converted into speech format. The next thing is nothing but how to connect Python with the WhatsApp. So there exists one library called as PyWhatKit, wherein what stands for the WhatsApp. So in this case, using this library, you may be able to send a message to anyone who is using the WhatsApp. So for that, you just have to use sendWhatMessage. That's the method available inside your PyWhatKit. The first argument that we pass is nothing but the number, the phone number to which you want to pass the message. It's preferable to add the country prefix, but it is optional. Write the number and then you can pass, the message that you want to send. This 13 is nothing but the hour and this stands for the minute. So at whatever hour, at whatever minute you want to send that message, you can send it. Right now, I cannot execute this because I haven't placed any number, but you can write any number and then based on that you may get to see how the output look like. Here the third one, in order to execute the third one, I need one notepad. So this particular third demonstration will help us to automate a text into any text editor. So for example, there exists one library called as PyAutoGUI. I'm importing that library and I'm importing one library called as time. I'm first keeping the sleep time of 15 seconds. That means it will wait for 15 seconds. I'll just reduce it to say 5 seconds for now. And then this message, that is nothing but good afternoon, because I have written the message as good afternoon. You can write any message that will be automatically entered into my notepad. So I first need to open that blank notepad. Just make sure that your cursor is over here. I will re-execute this. Sorry. I will re-execute this and I'll make sure that my cursor is on. So we just have to wait for next 5 seconds, and as you can see, without typing anything, automatically the message appeared into this text box. So this is basically what this PyAutoGUI does for us. So likewise, there are a lot of other things that we can perform using such kind of, the Python extensions that we are provided with. So I just hope all today's Python extensions are clear. So please try to implement it, and for such type of the other Python extensions, stay tuned with us. Thank you.